Hello, and welcome to your potential new family home and the beginning of one of the most fun and exciting times in your lives as you experience the farm life here in the Douglas community. As you enter through the gate, you will notice a gravel driveway. This driveway was a part of the original farm belonging to Mr. Boots Wilson. As you come up the gravel driveway, looking to your right, you will find several concrete pads. By the way, kids, one of these pads would make a great basketball court. Now, on the left side of the drive, you will see the previous owners built a huge 2-story, or 3 stories if you count the attic, newer home. On the ground floor is all tile. Ladies, this means no vacuuming. Can we say yes? The kitchen has been updated with stainless steel appliances to include a gas stove. Again, preppers take note. If you lose electricity, just turn on the gas burner and light it with a clicker or a match, just like the good old days. Another prepper's note, you should never, ever lose electricity. Why? Because you got a brand new generic 24,000 watt or 24 kilowatt generator. As you go back downstairs through the family room, you can exit through the French doors onto a spacious covered deck and pool area. During one 4th of July party and barbecue, we enjoyed the company of 57 people on the deck and in the pool, celebrating with food, fun, and fellowship. As you leave the meadow and enter into the pine-wooded area, you feel just like you have walked into a natural cathedral. There is such a peace that you instantly feel, as well as the coolness from the trees. There are approximately 15 acres of plantation pine that are ready for harvest. You will find many trails for ATVs or just a really nice walk to the back of the property. This has been our family home for 12 years, and now we are happy to have another owner come and enjoy our country estate. Thank you.